awkward to get at, like. But yeah, it's in all the way back there. Hang on, where's my flashlight too? It's hard to get a fucking. Hang on, turn this upside down. Yeah, right in there, the back where the spring is there. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh my god. Yeah, never mind that, it was an oil spill that did it already. See up at the top there? Yeah. Free the grill was a wee bit more difficult, so I've seen that you can do it from underneath here. So I'm gonna stick a pry bar up there and yep, hopefully she'll open. I'm back in a few minutes. So, you see the screwdriver? Up in there. Now let me get back. So, see where the screwdriver is? You see the wee thing that has got the hole in it? That is where your cable goes into. Yeah, so cable goes into there. So I just put a screwdriver between that wee bit and the bit that pulls back. Right, and she pops up. So out we go. Did you hear that? I'm gonna say she just popped up. Bang, pull your lever. Bonnet open. Yeah. Now to check the cable. The cable's connected still into that. It's connected still into the lever inside the car, so cable must be just stretched. Time for a new one. As you can see, there's a screwdriver there. And I'll put this bonnet up a wee minute here. There we go. You see. You see too. Oh, I turned the torch off. Come on, phone. I'm doing this upside down, trying to look at my screen. So yeah, up in there. Oh, give it a check.